What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Today, I'm gonna be doing zombie mode because I never did it, and it's their newest update. I don't know what they did in their new update. They had like 4 of them just this week. Right, because they only said weekly updates. I cannot tell. Okay, so today though, we gonna be just. I have some money. I'm broke though. I only have 186K. Alright, y'all, come after me. I'm gonna come up here. I don't have cluster grenades either. This is gonna suck. My aim is failing me. Where y'all coming? Where y'all at? I'm gonna just wait for you. Those like subscribers, you just pop up randomly. That was not funny. My aim is T. Only with this hand. Nah, man, it's crazy. I'm not playing that. No. I can just walk. I can have a nice daily stroll. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Who the frick are y'all? What the frick are you doing in my animal company world? I didn't give you permission to be in here. Nobody did. Actually. Yo, there might be, if Nitro VR, he's not even Nitro VR anymore, he's like Nitro Roblox. Actually, go follow him. He does Rec Room and Roblox videos. Like Nitro Roblox something on YouTube. I'll put him in the description. His channel. But we might be doing a upcoming animal company collab. I have no idea. I'll talk to him about it. Oh my, I dig it. That's all the zombies y'all gave me? You for real? Oh, it sucks. So bad, I don't even. My aim is T, homie. Wow, dude. Alright, come after me, Holmes. Oh my god, baby, don't come after me anymore. I didn't mean to do that. Started it. Let's restart it. Yeah. Didn't I just reload you? Nope, no, not with your puppy dogs. This one's filled with her. Zombies. Let's react. Oh, it's still in there. So I'm just gonna start walking. I'm gonna show you how to do fast reacts. You just gotta spam these, alright? Alright, get them loaded. Be in here somewhere. You can do this on normal people too. I'm gonna do a demonstration on that one. Right. Come here, babies. Come get me, fatty. Just waste all your ammo. Just kidding, that cost a lot. Shoot. No! That was bad. Hold on, I'm trying to get nitro on this. Hold on. I could taste it. Although I ain't gonna like, you know, don't even know what I just said, so probably not, but y'all biggies at. I jumped down here, there's like 700 of them. Y'all can't even get me while I'm strolling. Okay, just let the crowd build. I know, y'all. I'm so famous. Yeah. You guys are my fans. Wow. Oh, y'all look so ugly. Like. You need to chill out. So, it's a safe zone. Get Joe. Alright, come here, Tiana. Yeah, it's the big ones. Tiana and Joey. They need to leave. You need to leave. Oh my God! What did I ask? Crowd me like this, like. All right, y'all, come here. It's time. Y'all, come here. Y'all, come here. Come here. Come here, my babies. My puppies. That kid won. See, I have to get a crowd. I have to actually be famous once. Like, I can't only have one. Run. That's not fair. It only killed one of y'all. Oh my God. What the flip? Alright. Alright, y'all, come here. Come here. I'm not scared of y'all. I need to kill the big one. Oh my God, I just hit my wall. Ain't no serious behind your wall when you do see. Best part. It's the worst part. I have a lot of fans, as y'all can see. They just love me so much. They're always chasing me around in public. Like, can't y'all see how lovely my fans are? Like, they're just wonderful, aren't they? I killed y'all for the most part, you know? I can kill the rest of y'all with these guns. Time to bring my babies back into business. What the fuck are you doing? I'm quitting on you. And die. Exactly. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how to get to the lava map because I actually recently just learned this. Even honest, I'm being so real. Just learn this up. Come up here. Use your non-main rocket. This only costs $242 to do this. And in Animal Company, $240 is not shabby. But you just wanna fall. You just want to fall. Then you'll be teleported into a random place after you fail for so long. You should. And not even a lava dimension. It's that easy. My God, what the flip? Where's the eyeball at? I didn't know I could actually go here. I just like discovered it the other day when I fell through the map because I fell into the lava. Yeah, I know I'm so smart for falling in lava. Y'all is catching up to me. What the flip y'all think? What do you think you're doing? What the flip? I'm here. Whoa. Bam! I should make an edit of that. Alright, hold on. Become big real quick. I'm actually gonna edit that. I just got CapCut for free. I'm good. This is giant country. You can find monkeys that are huge and just giants, you know? Normal monkeys are tiny and small. They live in there. When the big monkey comes around, they all be... Okay, so I don't know why my video got cut like halfway off, but it's whatever. I can just like do another one. But alright, back to the video. Bye. Alright, hold on. I'm done with the freaking act. Y'all. Probably calls me a chameleon. Do I look like a chameleon? Huh? You see my tail? Yeah, I have a chameleon tail, obviously. I have a frog. You see, this is a frog face. You see? Uh-huh. Oh wait, I'm gonna make an edit where it's like this, right? I make a shot. It breaks glass if I can find that. Alright. Alright, well, y'all, yeah, I guess that's the end of the video, because I'm not trying to make this video so long. I already did zombies and a bunch of other stuff. But follow me on CapCut. I'll link that in the description, and I'll link Nitro's channel in the description, and maybe I'll try to link my Discord server. I don't think I can, though, because I don't even have my MacBook right with me. So I don't have my Discord thing, but like, join my Discord server. It's ATT Talk or Animal Company Talk, all capitals. Remember that. And like always, bye, and see you next time.